What's up, guys? This is Yesvin, and today I'm going to show you guys how to fix this airbag light on this Lexus Gs400. Let's do this. First things first, we're going to go ahead and scan the vehicle. We got code here B0101 squib, circuit open. So I went ahead and researched that, and turns out that is the clock spring on the actual steering wheel. So let's go ahead and replace that. This is what the part looks like. I've gone ahead and ordered this on eBay. It goes behind your airbag. A couple plugs, and that's it. We'll start off with a pick, removing this cover here and this cover here. Like so. Then, as you can see, there's a torque screw right there. Wait, why isn't that plugged in? I don't know, let's find out. And another torque screw right there. And I must say, before doing that, it's always a good idea to remove the negative terminal on your battery so you have no power going through the system and you don't happen to hit the short contact or hit anything there and then cause the airbag to just pop in your face. To do that, we're just simple 10mm here. Loosen that up. I should replace that. It looks pretty bad. We'll worry about that later. Okay, tuck it away. Now it's safe to work on the vehicle. Alright, let's see what torque we need. Alright, let's see. And real quick, guys, these are the tools you're going to be needing for this repair, which is a T30 Torx extension, impact drive or ratchet. You got a 90-degree pick, Phillips screwdriver, impact, and a 19mm for the main nut. Like I said, you can use different tools, but these seem to work pretty well for me. Got the job done quick and easy. Alright, and this is all before I actually knew what tools I was going to use or what tools actually worked out good. Here I am struggling. If you want a good laugh, go ahead and watch. If not, skip about 30 seconds. Actually, it was longer than that. If you don't want to see me struggle, go ahead and skip to minute 5 and 5 seconds. You know, when you're having one of those days when nothing goes right, everything strips, breaks. One of those days, you know. Well, that didn't work.
Let's see if this setup works a little better. This one was flexing too much. Well, this one's too big to go in the hole.
guys, and this is when my mic was left at my toolbox and we got no audio, so I'm gonna fill in. We got the airbag removed. Now we could unclip this. Boom, airbag is out. So those are the two Torx that hold the airbag in place. Let's go ahead and set this straight. This is a 19mm nut that you'll need to remove. Lefty loosey. Bang it a couple times. Bam. And of course I like to use my Jugga Ugga here. Makes life a little easier. Bam. Got that right out, no struggle. And like I said, bang, bang, bang. Bang, bang, bang. It'll eventually get a little loose. Bang some more. There it is, there it is. Awesome. It's all loose now. Don't forget we got a connector still in there. Unplug that connector and bam. Steering wheel is off. Put that to the side. Now we got 3 Phillips holding this plastic cover here. 2 in the obvious and 1 underneath. Let's go ahead and remove those. Okay, now that we're back, so that's pretty much it. We can go ahead and unplug all of these connections here. It's got a safety connector and Phillips as well, actually underneath there. After that's been removed, you can go ahead and remove the complete assembly. Well, we don't need that anymore. This is the one I purchased online, eBay for the win. Complete assembly. And we're gonna go ahead and place everything back in reverse mode pretty much. Just go ahead and add the screws back in and plug in all the connectors. Here we go. Alright guys, there it is. There we have it. We got everything back together, and best part about it, the light is now off. Oh, that was annoying. Also, the horn works perfectly well, and so does the shifting. Let's go ahead and test that out. Yes, there it is. There we have it. It is now working properly fine, shifting up and down as it should. That solved that issue. Horn works, like I said. Good to go. Thanks a lot, guys. Appreciate you guys watching. There's a couple more videos there for you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Hope this solved your problems. Have a good one, guys.